Hey, good afternoon, Mower Medic One. Today we've got a little Karcher Honda powered power washer on the bench, and I just wanted to go over this with you guys to save you guys a ton of headache and time wasted whenever you suspect a carburetor problem and you take the carburetor bowl off and it's just chock full of rust and corrosion. That corrosion has probably flaked off and gotten down in your carburetor, and that's why it's not running. My suggestion is to replace the carburetor, especially on a Honda engine. You can buy this carburetor. The OEM factory carburetor is like 15 bucks. You cannot replace the needle and seat and a new bowl for 15 bucks. Just buy a new one. I got people all the time complaining that well, I brought my lawnmower to the lawnmower shop, all it needed was a carburetor cleaning. Well, you know what, it's better just to replace it. Less comebacks on the mechanic. Honestly, unless it's like a V-twin engine, or possibly maybe I got a couple of Honda commercials that I'm going to be working on here in a couple weeks, couple days I mean, and those carburetors are about 70 bucks a pop, so it would be definitely worth trying to clean those up. But these little general consumer verticals, GCV 160s, guys, just replace the carburetor. That's all there is to it. I like these little engines because they're dual purpose. As you can tell, you can mount the carburetor vertical or horizontal. They use the same block for both applications. But if you guys have any questions, just general questions about carburetors and Honda engines, please let me know. Mower Medic One. Have a great day.